Good morning, grade ones. We're going to continue talking about estimation. So last time we talked about how many bugs could fit in a jar, right? And you had to estimate how many bugs were in the jar, and then you got to actually count. So some other things that you could estimate would maybe be markers. I have this big bag of markers here, and I'm going to grab a handful. And let's see. How many markers do you think that I can hold in one hand just by estimating? So remember, don't count. I'm gonna guess maybe 10. That seems like a good estimate, right? I feel like there's about 10 in my hand. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I was so close. I can fit 11 markers in my hand. So that's just an estimate, right? And that was okay that I was wrong. I said 10 and it was actually 11. So today we're gonna estimate something actually in a jar. So I have this jar of little candy eggs here, or the little chocolate eggs from Easter. How many do you think could fit in this jar? There's a lot. So we also need to make sure that we don't estimate too high, but we also don't want to estimate too low. So if we look at this, do you think there could be 1,000,000? I don't know. So I don't know. I don't think there could be 1,000,000. That seems like a little bit too many. There's also more than 5, right? There's way more than 5 in here. So that was an estimate that was too high and too low. 1,000,000 is too high and 5 is too low. So on Seesaw, you're gonna get a page that looks like this, okay? It's a jar, just kind of like my jar here. And it's gonna say too high and too low. So even 500, I think that's still too many. So what you're gonna do on Seesaw is you're gonna look at my jar here. I have a picture up on loaded and loaded for you. And you're gonna write an answer that's too high. So I think that 500 is too high of an estimate because we know that 500 eggs probably can't fit in here. I think they're a little bit too big. But we also said that 5 is too low. So you're gonna write that in Seesaw and you're gonna pick your own numbers that are too high and then numbers that are too low. My guess, I'm not gonna do this one for you, okay, because you'll be actually working from this one, but you can guess how many eggs are in here and you can write it down just here, okay, so whatever your answer is, just there. And then there's another picture on Seesaw where you can actually count and see how many eggs are actually in this jar, okay? And you're also gonna draw a picture, maybe use some more colors, but draw a picture of all the little eggs you see in the jar, something like that, okay? So good luck on your assignment. It should be fairly straightforward on there, and you can guess how many eggs are in this jar. Good luck.